Everybody farming. This is what we get in Askai 062 airline back to Lagos. You have to stop for maintenance.
Transfer us to a better place.
Hey, God.
Real estate. Finally. Let's start the display.
Hmm.
That's a little potato gone. Yeah.